Hi everybody, this is my new Super Mario Bros. Walkthrough for DS. Here is the bottom screen. You'll never see that again, I think. Let me get the camera fixed. If you didn't know, keypads move. A is select, jump. Now, two buttons are, for jump it's B and A, and run faster is X and Y. See? Y. Ooh, get that. And Y. Oh, I mean an X. Down is duck. Up does nothing. The basic things move. Start is pause. Let's move on. And I think either watch something like this, probably. Oh, look at that. We have an extra one down there now. Don't touch it. Ah! Like it tells you to, don't. You don't need it. If you do, just go back down there. Ooh, this one is a special mushroom. Oh, here we go. Now, make sure you don't knock down that pipe that's in front of me. Do not knock that down. Like I almost did. Oh, look at that. Now let's go into that pipe. Oh, now we're on the bottom screen. Oh my god. Well, you don't have to kill them. See, that's why you never waste that until you especially need it. Now we have all the star coins. Let's get out of here. And I died. Well, I'm sure you can make it to the end. That is the first part of World 1-1. See you in my second one. Bye.